It also has a 3500 mAh battery and a fingerprint sensor on the back. And voila. Here we have the phone itself, all black. 2 cameras at the back, a 16 megapixel sensor and a 5 megapixel sensor, and there's a 24 megapixel sensor on the front. Let's see what else we get with it. Reading stuff that you can just throw away, a charger, charging cable, and some earphones. Oh, and there's the ejector tool for the SIM card. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll get a review of this phone out soon. Thank you and bye.